All right, people, thanks for tuning in. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. Enjoy the ride. Anybody else out there actually wash their machine just before they go and ride it? Or am I just crazy? I'm pretty sure there's some other people out there that do that too. Am I right? All right, let me set today's video up. It's Saturday afternoon. I worked yesterday, got to work again tomorrow. Try to set up a little quick ride because I really needed some throttle therapy. And I had two guys lined up and then they both backed out last minute. But you know what, no big deal. It wasn't anything big planned, just go rip for a couple hours. And so I guess I figured I'll just make some videos and go have fun. Oh, she's angry. Everybody's working for the weekend. Yeah! 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 That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, yeah, look at that, boys. I'm buried. I can't believe I got stuck in it. I take the override off. Yeah, I gotta hit that a little harder, I guess. Holy. Crawled into her and woo, look at how far you're buried into that. I never hit the override going in reverse. I forget. Okay, fellas, check this out. That's like, no, 2.5 feet deep. That's thick mud. This is soupy, peanut buttery. I was through here maybe 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Yeah, this one's not too bad a climb, but this will be way tougher now. I gave her little beans there. I knew I was gonna need it. Okay, someone's been through there, but no one's done this one. So why not? All right, we did this one earlier in the spring and it was a lot more water. This will be a good one. It'll also help get things cleaned off a bit. Now, thing to note here, I'm out riding by myself right now. Been in this area before and I know what to expect. I checked it. It's still pretty friggin' deep with water, but nothing I can't handle. It's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be some work. I know that. A big root or something here. Look at that, my seat's friggin' floating. Guess I don't got it locked in. There it goes. Just feathering it here, a little pressure from my leg on the bank. Easy on the throttle, no problem. Yeah, we're into another spot. Okay, I'm gonna fix my seat now. Wow. Definitely did not have that latched in. Big thing is not to panic. You can't get too excited. That's what you do when you're first new at it. Okay, so wrong foot forward. Back foot on the bank. Wiggle, wiggle. Too much. Got myself wet. Okay, we'll try wrong foot forward again. Push off the bank. Try to dig into the inside of the rut. Now the other side. Okay, too much throttle. Okay, we're not going anywhere. Let's try the other side. Just soaked myself. Oh, I haven't given up yet. Okay, let's regroup and try again. I need a plan B here. I thought I had it and I gave her a little extra. I didn't. I don't know, boys. One more try, I don't know. That's it. It's so close. Oh. Oh, it's so close. Yeah, we got her. Oh, holy. Ooh, that was some work, boys. Okay, boys, here's the situation. I've never actually done this one. I did part of it, the very first part, but I was having belt problems with the with my Sportsman. Hey, did you forget your belt was getting wet? Yeah. I'm not getting wet. That was no good. So I never did it all. I've seen it done. I've seen Joe from ATV do it. I know it takes some work, but I think we're up for the challenge. Can you say hashtag coded? I just gave her the pepper on that one. But it's funny, when you give her, the way I got this set up right now, and there's not enough resistance, you go right to the rev limiter. So I feel like something's wrong. So then I let off, and I'm like, what's going on? It's like, oh, right, rev limiter. Because I'm just chewing too fast. Well, it's just got lots of mud in it. We're so high centered. I can't believe I'm freaking stuck already. She is deep ruts. All right, let's move with the plan here. I don't know, boys. I get nothing. Just look at it. I can't even go back. There's no shame in pulling out your winch, but I mean, I give it a go. Holy. If I can just keep enough momentum. There. Boys, I'm using all my tricks that I know. That's enough of that. Well, I need bigger tires for that. Whoa, that was a tough one, but I didn't give up. But the thing I gotta keep in mind is, it's never a bad thing when you gotta pull your winch out and risk breaking something, but I knew that wasn't gonna be the case. It's nice and soft. I wasn't worried about it at all. So, but that's something to keep in mind. I'm sure someone will make a comment about that. Oh, that's a good way to, I can't wait till you break some axles and blah, 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 blah. But on that note, keep those comments coming. If you like this video, don't be afraid to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you really like it, share it with your buds. I would really appreciate the support. Keep on coming back, and I'll see you in the next one.